Gaza's largest hospital has become a death zone. The World Health Organization said Sunday, announcing plans to evacuate the facility as Israel's army said it was expanding operations to destroy Hamas. The assessment came after a visit by WHO and other UN officials to the hospital, which Israeli troops raided earlier this week. The mission, coordinated with the Israel Defense Forces to secure a safe route, took place amid heavy fighting in close proximity to the hospital, according to the WHO. During their 1-hour-long mission inside the hospital, the team, which included public health experts, logistics officers, and security staff from OCHA, UNDSS, UNMAS, UNRWA, and WHO, described the situation as desperate and the hospital itself as a death zone. Signs of shelling and gunfire were evident. The team saw a mass grave at the entrance of the hospital and were told more than 80 people were buried there, the WHO statement said. Once the largest and the most advanced referral hospital in Gaza, Al-Shifa has been crippled due to clean water, fuel, medicines, and food shortages, WHO said. The hospital, unable to admit new patients, now directs the injured and sick to the overwhelmed Indonesian hospital. Currently, 25 health workers and 291 patients remain at Al-Shifa, including 32 critically ill babies, 2 individuals in intensive care without ventilation, and 22 dialysis patients facing compromised access to life-saving treatment, according to the UN Health Agency. WHO repeated its call for an immediate ceasefire and sustained humanitarian assistance, saying that options for medical care in the small coastal enclave were dwindling. Israel has vowed to destroy Hamas in response to the October 7 attacks, which Israeli officers say killed about 1,200 people, most of them civilians, and saw about 240 people taken hostage. The army's relentless air and ground campaign has since killed 12,300 people, more than 5,000 of them children, according to the Hamas government, which has ruled Gaza since 2007. The UN says some 1.6 million people have been displaced inside the Gaza Strip by 6 weeks of fighting, and Israel said Saturday its military was now expanding its operational activities in additional neighborhoods in the area of the Gaza Strip. Gaza's largest hospital, Al-Shifa, has become a key focus in recent days, with Israeli forces alleging Hamas uses it as a command center, a claim denied by the group and medical staff.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.